Japan is famous for blending advanced technology with deep-rooted traditions. But if you look closely at daily life here, you'll notice unique cultural habits that often surprise visitors. Today, we'll explore 3 traditional customs that continue to shape Japanese behavior: bowing, removing shoes, and the New Year's deep cleaning tradition. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what these customs are, but why they've lasted for generations. Let's start with bowing. In Japan, bowing is much more than a simple greeting. It communicates respect, gratitude, apology, and humility all at once. The angle and depth of the bow change depending on the situation. A slight nod can mean thank you, while a deeper bow shows sincerity or apology. For Japanese people, this is an instinctive way to express emotion without raising their voice. For visitors, it may feel formal, but to locals, it's a natural part of polite communication. Next is the custom of removing shoes at the entrance. In Japanese homes, people take off their shoes to keep the living space clean. This tradition comes from the idea that the inside of the home is a sacred, relaxing space, separate from the outside world. Even schools, temples, and some traditional restaurants follow this practice. You'll often see a row of shoes neatly lined up at the door. It reflects the importance of cleanliness and consideration for others. For visitors, it might feel unusual at first, but it quickly becomes surprisingly comfortable. Finally, let's talk about the year-end deep cleaning, known as Oosouji. Every December, families across Japan clean their homes from top to bottom. But this isn't just about removing dust, it's a symbolic act of clearing away old energy before welcoming the new year. Schools and offices also join in, turning it into a shared cultural tradition. Oosouji represents the Japanese belief in starting the year with purity, clarity, and a refreshed mindset. It's a beautiful example of how tradition shapes modern life in Japan. These 3 customs, bowing, removing shoes, and year-end cleaning, show how deeply Japanese culture values respect, cleanliness, and renewal. If you visit Japan, you'll not only observe these traditions, but also experience the meaning behind them. Thank you for watching.